Hello, my name is Gabriela Lopez, and today I will be talking about my experience in ABA 630, developing ABA interventions. Okay, so my goal for this course was to get 14 correct responses within the 30 seconds, study SAFMEDS for 30 minutes, and be consistent and maintain a low DCEL score. So what I did was, depending on how big the deck was, for example, if the deck consisted of 30 cards, I would split the deck into two parts. For first, focus on 15 cards. The second day, work on the second part. And by the third day, I would combine all cards together and time myself with the 30 cards. For me, that was more helpful because I couldn't obtain all of the information for the 30 cards, and I wasn't able to increase my ASO scores. If the deck was a smaller deck with fewer cards, I would just review all of them together. I worked on 5 trials and imputed the highest score on Precision X. I tried to study nighttime because it was easier for me to focus since it was the last activity of my day. I tried to study mornings, but I couldn't concentrate or obtain the information because I kept in mind that I had to get ready, be ready for work. And my days were always busy. So for me, it worked better to leave SAFMEDS at night. And I was able to get pretty high scores on my ASO scores and decrease my DCEL scores. Right here, I have a picture of my my graphs. As you can see, I was able to obtain more than 14 correct responses within the 30 seconds with all 3 decks. As you can see, my ASO trend line was increasing as I was being consistent with my study interventions. DCEL scores also decrease at the beginning of each deck, introduction of each deck. ASO scores were low, DCEL scores were high, but as I continued being consistent every day, I was able to decrease my DCEL trend line and increase ASO trend lines. Neutral trend lines were the same, they weren't as high, but I was able to maintain a high score of 14 correct responses within the 30 seconds, even though it was all of the mastered decks. I was able to maintain a high score. And yeah, my interventions were helping me, and I was pretty satisfied with the scores I was getting. Thank you.